The shoulder brush off.
Now, are those mushrooms?
I didn't know!
Whoa! Chill. See, I love Meredith. See, I was right, Meredith. Oh, yeah. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel, or welcome back. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching The Family Stone. So this is a movie I've heard of in like passing, like maybe once or twice before, or like seen it somewhere, but like I've never actually watched it. I don't know what's about except from like the synopsis that I've seen, and yeah, basically it's only because Dan Keaton recently passed that it entered. Like, oh, I've seen people, oh, they have to watch The Family Stone this Christmas. I'm like, oh, okay, I didn't know it was a Christmas movie even, you know. I just like heard the name or like see it on like Dan Keaton was in this movie or whatever, you know. But yeah, so that's where I'm coming from with this, and looking forward to it. Sounds interesting. I see it's like a 3.1 on Letterboxd, so it means it's like a decentish film at least. The last movie I watched, that was a 3 Letterboxd. Sorry, yeah. Descriptions, I watched Carry On. That was a fun ride. So hopefully this one, I don't think it'll be fun. Maybe like sad or like family oriented. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. So this says, although their relationship works in the city, things fall apart for button up Manhattanites Everett and Meredith when they visit the suburbs. So it says here, Claire Danes, Dan Keaton, Rachel McAdams. Let's see, what does that look like? What's her name there? Sarah, oh god. Not Sarah Michelle Gellar. The one who was in Sex and the City. Her, yeah. Does it look like her in this like photo with Dan Keaton and Rachel McAdams? I don't know, we'll see. Let's get into it.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go,
This is Meredith.
let it snow.
For the last time, this isn't a popularity contest. I don't care if it's the Friday before Christmas. She'll have Monday off. Them over to... Ooh, Everett. Is that for Amy? The red one. Yeah, now I'll look them over. I'll forget it. Wait, I'm gonna call you back.
The red one, please.
Oh, red.
Merry Christmas.
All right. Sorry, Jessica Parker. You're right. That's the name. Michael Giacchino. I've definitely seen him like videos about like films he did the score on. I need to check which movies he's done. Michael Giacchino. I need to look that up. Because I've definitely seen him in some like big movies and stuff. Also, there are a lot of names of people I recognize as in the cast. I looked up the cast before. I just saw what was on Netflix available. So, hey, Dan Keaton's character. She looks sad. Did her husband recently pass away, or is Craig T. Nelson her husband?
Well, Mom, where's Everett?
He promised me they'd be here by dinner.
Are these two a couple?
Brownies.
Oh, so sweet of her.
Okay, so she's sad for someone else. Okay. There's gotta be a better way to do that. Come on. Okay.
Be nervous.
I'm not.
Yeah.
You're gonna love you.
I hate her.
Amy.
What?
Oh, he's a son of theirs. Okay.
Incredibly grotesque, throat clearing, tick. It's like... It's like she's digging for clams.
But why do you encourage her? Well, Amy never likes anyone.
I love you.
That took years.
Yeah. When's Ben getting here?
Ready?
Who's Ben?
Yes.
Hey, buddy.
Thaddeus.
Beautiful.
Hello. I'm Meredith.
Wow, she shot her.
You remember Amy, right?
You have nice shoes. Thank you.
Okay. Fun.
I am not sleeping with you in your bed in your parents' house.
Sybil put us in here together.
What you're saying is you just don't screw?
Oh, nice. It's nice.
Putting Amy out of her room and all.
What? I hope I'm not putting anyone out.
Me.
It's my sister.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, privacy.
They hate me. Yes, I'm being myself.
Is that why they hate her? Okay.
This isn't easy for me. Meeting everyone.
Oh, no, it's not.
I could tell.
This is not going to be clothing optional this year. We've got company.
Oh, look at the. Who's this? Wow. What have you been?
Clothing optional with Elizabeth in the house? Boo.
That's weird.
Hi.
Hey.
We're all gonna be down here talking about you.
Okay, yeah. That's helpful for her.
So, Everett, where'd you find her?
Hong Kong, last spring. That's on Kowloon's side.
You don't need to shout there.
Share meals with the monks. They've taken a vow of silence.
About what?
4 to 6 more days later.
And in my 2 cents going over that report, I just showed Everett a few things that needed to be done.
Yeah, fascinating.
Destiny.
Right, honey?
Right.
Yay, kind of weird.
Well.
But...
No.
Oh, Billy, don't be a hero.
That's a song?
Yes, it's a song. You've heard it.
No.
No.
I want to go again.
No. You need to wind it down.
Calm down.
Meredith hasn't had a turn yet. I'll find one for you.
No, really, I don't.
Come on, Mary.
That one's perfect.
What does it say?
That's a movie.
4
4
words.
words.
Second
word. Beekeeper.
What?
Wedding.
Marriage.
Ring.
Bride.
Oh,
Princess Bride.
4 words.
yeah, 4.
It's made never a bride.
No, that's...
That's 6.
You know what the answer is.
I'm just trying to help.
I beg your pardon?
Put on.
Suit.
4th word.
Okay, 4th word.
It's okay. 4th word.
Hair.
I can't believe you're pointing at him.
What? Who?
No,
You're totally pointing at him.
Which guy?
I wasn't.
4th word.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Mary. Come on.
What just happened?
Fetch that.
Yeah, what was the word?
The bride wore black.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Amy. Why do you always have to be such a meanie?
Very bad. Very, very, very bad. Bad.
Meredith, now you're being...
I am not a completely ridiculous person, Everett. I can see you beginning to look at me like they do.
It's not true.
Isn't it?
Kinda true.
Wish I were different.
Different? Different how?
She is a fine woman.
Oh, so fine.
She doesn't seem to know or trust herself very well.
Oh. He's got something there.
That our Everett may not know himself at all.
I could see that being true too. Both very true. Is he actually like a professor? Is he like a teacher at the university or something? Lecturer?
We got a card from the Stevensons the other day. You remember Brad, don't you?
Very funny.
Brad Stevenson, still available. Yeah, well, Brad popped Amy's cherry.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I'm sorry, dear. Is that not accurate?
You can.
The guy's still holding out for her. Guess he got a taste of something he liked.
Okay, Mom.
I don't know what I did to you. I really don't. But you know, I don't care whether you like me or not.
Yes, you do care.
Oh, of course you do.
Okay, what's this guy's deal?
Family in order to be with Meredith.
Come on, now she called her sister?
That's it.
Oof. Yeah, I would be like him too. What's wrong with you guys?
You're all gonna pull your fangs out of her and remind yourselves that whatever it is you think she is, Meredith's somebody that means a lot to me. So you better start getting used to the idea. Everett, I expected a little more at least of you.
Ooh, cotton.
Good deal.
Okay.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Since it's Sybil's favorite, or she'll kill you.
I believe that. I believe that for sure.
And I know you gave her my mug.
Let's just vote Ben off the island.
She's gonna ask me for that ring, I know it.
You can't marry her.
Thank you. Where have you been?
They don't even love each other.
Enough about the ring.
What ring?
Grandma's wedding ring. When I met the woman who was to be my wife, that I should come to you. That I should come to you because you wanted that woman to wear your mother's wedding ring.
Can't give you my mother's wedding ring so that she
You made a
can...
promise to me.
Tough shit! I'm sorry. I know you're disappointed. But think how I feel.
What? Sorry. Not computing.
Strata, it's a Morton family tradition. I wanted to do something for everyone.
Well, that should be nice.
Yeah, it is very nice of her.
Thank you for bringing my mug back.
Oh,
I love Meredith. She's so interesting.
Is this about Mom?
Of course it's about Mom.
Okay. Interesting. Can't wait to see what this is all about.
Who else knows?
Is this about her husband? Is he not coming?
What do you mean?
Mom, Dad. I mean, Mom.
Is it like some kind of cancer or...
It's not good.
Oh, that might be what Susanna went to her about.
I know, man. I know.
Are those mushrooms?
yeah, those are mushrooms.
Isn't Everett allergic to mushrooms?
He is?
He's never... Oh, you... Oops.
Okay, what can I do to be of service? Meredith, what can I do to make you happy?
I think I'm all set. Okay. Everett had to run some...
The shoulder brush off.
Now, are those mushrooms?
I didn't know!
Whoa! See, I love Meredith. See, I was right, Meredith. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's who Claire Danes is. Okay.
Oh! Totally my fault. Oh, no. Please, you've all got to stop.
They are Ben and Meredith's gonna be a thing, and then Everett and Julie.
They certainly like you, don't they?
They do.
But why? Who the hell are these people?
Totally doesn't matter to us.
I was just wondering.
We're just so excited about having this child at all.
Okay, cool. Interesting.
Believe in nature versus nurture? I mean, is that all a concern? I just mean the gay thing. You know, I mean...
See what asked me when I was 8 years old if I was gay.
Hey, she asked all of us that.
So special.
Okay, interesting.
You didn't really hope for gay children, did you?
Ooh.
Think that anyone wishes for that. What I mean to say is life is hard enough as it is, and it just seems to me that you wouldn't want to make it any more difficult for your child. I mean, Patrick, you must understand what I'm trying to say. Did not mean that. Honestly,
Why don't you try saying what it is you do mean?
Everett. I'm sorry.
That did not go well.
That's enough.
Don't sybil me. Just for the child's sake, just to make it easier for the child.
That's enough!
Meredith.
Thanks a lot.
That was fun.
And you are more normal than any other asshole sitting at this table.
Is she okay?
How would you feel?
Good question. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
It did not go well. Yeah.
I am not a bad person. I am.
I mean,
Oh, I know this song from what's it called again? Guardians of the Galaxy.
you know, relax.
That's suspicious.
I'm not comfortable.
Yeah, you're not.
You have a freak flag. You just don't fly it.
Okay, yeah, cool.
Okay. So, you getting it? I'm getting it. I don't get it.
Brad Stevenson, that's David Silver. We went to school together.
Oh, that's the Brad. Okay, Brad. I've seen Brad in someone else. I don't remember what.
Aren't you the guy that popped Amy's cherry?
Oh,
Oh, that's my song!
okay.
You come over.
The beer?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh.
No.
I don't know. Get some coffee or something.
I can't.
That's the right answer. Kinda weird, bro. That's not me, tell your sister.
Oh,
Oh. I don't mean to bother you. Is Meredith here?
no,
She thought it was Everett.
I'm sorry. I really am.
I'm not really sure I believe that.
I don't believe it either.
You were shoveling snow.
What?
You were just a little girl in a flannel nightgown in front of our house.
What?
And I was the snow. And you scooped me up.
Intriguing.
It's our last dance in St. Louis.
What movie is this?
It's just that he's making this mistake. And I won't be here. I only want him to be happy.
So does she think he's getting married just to please her?
I'm scared.
Hey, perfectly valid.
Days, happy golden days.
The episode breast cancer.
So have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Intriguing. Okay, I've said that a lot, but okay. They're setting up some interesting things there with these two, with Ben and Everett and Julie and Meredith. Ugh. Better matches, but not cool still. Is she in Ben's bed?
Ben?
Yep.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Not now, Kelly.
Right, okay.
Jeez. Not now.
Yeah, hey, fine. Hey, Everett.
I'd hate to see you not find what you really want. It's your decision.
It is.
How'd you sleep? Okay? Yeah.
No, my hands are bigger than Meredith anyway.
Julie, come on, I just want to see.
Okay. Awkward.
That really is beautiful.
You can't get what off? Grandma's ring.
I'm not doing this on purpose, but please be careful of the setting.
Is she all right?
I shouldn't cry.
I'm not crying. What?
Where have you been?
I just got here.
Julie, dear, are you all right?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
He wanted to see it on.
Why did he want to see it on you?
Where were you last night?
Oh, don't turn it around.
Now who the hell is that?
Oh, Brad Stevenson.
Brad, what are you doing here?
Meredith invited me.
How could
I
you?
know. I know. Me next, me next,
Don't
me
you think
next.
we should talk?
It's for...
Oh.
Open them.
Just thought it was so beautiful.
Is that Diane Keaton's character? I think so.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
You did good.
it's still a nice gift.
Please,
don't.
will you
No,
please stop
Everett,
talking
Everett,
and
no,
listen?
I will not marry you.
Oh.
I can't marry you.
Okay, alright.
I didn't ask you.
You were going to.
I'm not asking you to marry me.
You're not? You didn't? That's just great, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
You all hate me so much.
Meredith, that's not true.
Oh, I know what you see. Spoiled, crazy, racist, bigot, bitch from Bedford, right? That's what you all think?
Oh.
That's what you all see when you look at me. Up here to ruin our Christmas and then she sleeps with his brother?
You slept with who?
With whom?
Do not look at me.
Ben, I slept with Ben.
Excuse me. Could you just back up for a minute there? Everett, we Meredith, we did not sleep together.
We didn't?
No.
Yeah, I figured that.
Isn't there anybody that loves me?
Oh boy. I love Meredith. Oh man.
Nice.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
But telling I think Ben did well there. To me.
Oh my Meredith. Oh my god, no, it's just as good as any of you.
Of course you are. Better, probably.
Sorry. I don't know if we've met.
Somebody's gonna get hurt.
What's so great about
That's so nice of Brad.
What this nonsense?
Okay, yeah. That's the scene from the Netflix.
She was passed out. I slept on the floor. Nothing happened. You don't even love her, man. You don't love her.
That's true. Well, at least ambulance is there. Very helpful. Very, very helpful. Good thing she invited him. Good job, Meredith.
I'm sorry, Everett.
I'm sorry for everything.
You don't hate me, do you?
No, I don't think he does.
She said to give it to Everett. She said to say goodbye.
I'm assuming that the snow globe is part of some storyline that got cut. That we know it has more significance to her or something. Kinda weird. Very not kinda weird. It is weird.
It smells like puke.
I'm sure she does.
Have you seen her?
No.
The guy in there said.
So they didn't notice her right there all along? Come on. Or maybe she just got there because she was waiting for the bus and she knew the bus would come at a specific time. I'll give grace.
Everett,
Please, stay, Julie.
it's too much.
Okay. She's staying. We know. See? The bus stopped.
Julie.
Twins?
Yeah, double homicide.
Repeat the sounding joy.
See, this would have been fine. Nah, okay. I'll explain in the discussion, cause.
Sybil,
Right, that's her name. I keep
sweetie,
Sybil, right?
it's ready.
Creepy. Sorry, no, I'm not a fan of that shot. Oh, this is the next year. Yeah, this is the following year.
See ya. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Good tree, Daddy.
It is.
Yep, good tree. I thought she was looking at him, but alright, no. So that shot of Brad, kind of weird, but you know, whatever. Nice photo. It is a really nice photo, I'll give them that. This would be a great way to end the movie. This shot here. Yeah, I was right. Okay, so that was The Family Stone, and I liked it. I did not enjoy it, but it's not like it was horrible or anything like that. It was actually good. It's got even rated it like a 3.5, which is the same rating I gave Carry On. Why am I talking about Carry On? Anyway, so I watched it just hours ago. But right, so I had some. I think it's just I need to sit with it for a little. I think this is something I need to sit with. It's a good movie, and that's why I gave it that rating. It's just something, just not too all the way dead with me, you see me? Because this is like a movie where there's a lot of good. I like the family relationships. You can see that they're like a tight-knit family. You can see that they love each other and everything. And there are like some unspoken things in the background. It's got well because of them hints and stuff that gets revealed later. And I'm sure that snow globe thing was like a plot point that was cut or something, because she looked at snow globe like, oh, there's some significance to that. And so, hold on. Okay, so I'm looking at something on Reddit. This movie is absolutely insane as the bones of a should be a run-of-the-mill Christmas rom-com with a great cast, but it misses the mark so hard that I might be concussed from watching it. What the hell did I just watch? Why is everyone so mean to SJP? Why is SJP so weird? Why does everyone like Claire Danes? Why on earth does Claire giggle for Everett after what he did to her sister? Why didn't they just play the Benny Hill theme during the ridiculous chase around the house scene? I have so many questions. Very valid, very valid. Okay, this explains. I just looked at this for the snow globe thing. It's on a what's called how did this get made? Okay, I see where the movie got made. Trail. Hold on, let me see. Oh, I just kind of saw the snow globe when someone is validating what snow. I completely love this movie. It is my favorite movie of all times. I want to be in this close knit family. I just love this movie so much. My favorite dialogue is when SJP is with Ben in the car and he says he had a dream about her. She was shoveling snow with a big red shovel, and he was the snow. I want to feel like that about someone. This movie is a masterpiece and no one can ever change my mind. Oh no, it's not a masterpiece. Okay, but that's no dream thing. Weird. How could he already dream as a little girl? Okay, so I understand if he was thinking like of she is now, but when the little girl part and then in front of our house, it just no, that dream that didn't make sense. It was like her and then she was even at Blackmore. It's like they're shoveling and okay, he's the snow and she's shoveling and then it's like some becomes all this type of thing and then shoveling. But as a little girl, it doesn't. No, it just makes sense. In for hours as a little girl, you're marrying a little girl. What's wrong with you? Okay, see, it just no. See, that's it. Just something. It just don't click all the way, isn't it? They have like, it's like almost there. This should be something I'm like a 5 out of 5 on, but it just no make it. Does it mean not make it a 5? Let me see the replies to this. Okay, someone says, reply, dysfunctional family, united against an outsider and bickering among themselves when there's another target. Trust me, you don't want to be a part of a family like this. And someone says, for real, anyone that thinks his family is good needs deep, extensive therapy. Very toxic. Okay, not that much. Chill. I don't say it was very toxic, but okay. Okay, kind of a point. Close knit. They're arrogant and treat someone they don't even know like crap. The minute he loves her, I can't imagine my son being in love and me allowing anyone to disrespect her. I hope you find a better family than that. Jeez. Ooh, burn 10. Okay, I didn't need to go this deep, but this is. Okay, wait. Why did I see someone's snow globe? Why is it not showing up here? Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me see this exact comment. Wait, alright. Snow globe thing is somewhere. It's in a reply to something. Oh, brother. Oh, man. Eee. Okay, I need to. Globe. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I just downloaded the Reddit just because I need to say this movie is terrible. What is wrong with that family? The main character, Meredith, needs therapy, and her sister, the main guy's brother, and the main guy are all complete. Whatever. Why would I care about the mother's death? She was so mean the whole time. I raised a bunch of a-holes. There's not one single likable character except the deaf brother's husband. Everyone else is absolutely mental. I just wasted 2 hours of my life on this movie. Okay. Oh gosh. Snow globe thing. Right. There's something there that I'm not clicking with. Oh. Yikes. Okay. It's in some comment. I'll find it later. Put it here if I get to it. I'll search. Trust me. But yeah. Anyway. Before you like the movie, Brad Stevenson. Oh, he's Mark Brendanowitz. Also, Brian J. White. I saw him. He's in Mr. 3000. And what else did I see? Who else did I see, man? Mr. 3000. Oh, and also Stomp the Yard, right? Brian J. White, who played Patrick. Stomp the Yard and Mr. 3000. That's where I know him from. And since I already started the review, so I might as well just go to Letterboxd and show you what I'm seeing. Okay, so Letterboxd says an uptight conservative businesswoman accompanies her boyfriend to his eccentric and outgoing family's annual Christmas celebration and channeled that she's a fish out of water on their free-spirited way of life. To say the least. Okay, someone here says the brother-sister swap is weird, very clueless 1995 in a way that's like, this technically isn't wrong, but this feels wrong. Let me get back to that. Okay, some of the popular reviews here. One says the best thing about this movie is how it starts off as a movie about Sarah Jessica Parker, and then it becomes a Diane Keaton's movie, and it's about Claire Danes for a while, and it ultimately becomes Rachel McAdams' movie, which is how all movies should end. I know that. Yeah. This just made up my mind. Thank you, other persons, for. I was gonna sit on it and then, but that wouldn't make it into this review, this discussion part. So, thank you for allowing me to come to the conclusion that I wanted to. First, let me discuss the acting and the story. Everybody did their parts. Movie, music, everything. I'm assuming, when did this come out? This was from 2005. Alright, let me explain how it looks, because it kind of, I don't know, it's not pop. Maybe it's just a comment. The version I saw on Netflix. Let me see if the Disney Plus one looks better. Alright, thank you. Thank you, Disney Plus, for disappointing me. Oh, alright. No, it doesn't look better. It doesn't look better. The same. Alright, so just the copy. Alright. Okay, so. Oh, the brother sister thing. That is the central point. That and the other thing what I mean. So the brother sister swap. Okay, so if it's weird. It would be bad, but not so bad if them did it to stay for like a couple months, and then because there's not that deep thing, but I'm pretty sure they've been together for at least like almost a year, and if you're together for almost a year, honestly, I have that wrong. I need to look back on it to see if I'm wrong. Yeah, but so they've been together for at least half a year, at least, man. And to switch like easily from your boyfriend to his brother, and then your your sister got there with him, his brother, at the same night. No. Sorry. That is just weird, very weird. Okay, I saw the thing between Sarah Jessica Parker character and Luke Wilson's character. I saw the connection and everything. Fine. But the switch up, just no, not cool, no. Oh no, you. And so fast. Like, did no loyalty. Okay, if you're gonna wait, do it, at least wait like a few months or something after the breakup. Not immediately. Yuck. That's one of the big reasons I can't rate this a 5. And it's just because it's a very well made film and there's a lot of good aspects to why I'm even rating did it that like a 3.5. Because like I said about the acting, the story, overall story, the where they wanted to go and everything. Like the character and they supposed to feel all these feelings and everything. And okay, I see they were attempting and everything's in there, but the meanness and everything that these people are terrible. Not only not terrible, they're just people. So I can see, but they're not amazing. And when Sarah Jessica Parker's character is like, oh, I'm not good enough, and then Keaton's character says, oh no, you're probably better than us. Oh yes, she's better than you. She's a good. She tries. She is making effort. She's doing her best. She's trying to impress you. Okay, and maybe she's doing too much. Maybe. Okay. So for trying to impress her boyfriend's family. What's wrong with that? Like, come on. Is that a bad thing? That's a bad thing, though. So her death. Okay, it's like a little cause I'm empathetic. So okay, yeah, that's why. Yeah, but no, everybody just be mean and then. Was it everybody being mean? No. There be everybody won't be mean. It was really Richard McAdams' character and also Dan Keaton's character who were like the main facilitators of that. But and Everett too because he didn't stick up for her on occasion. Even her sister didn't stick up for her. Like, what's that? But her sister, I guess she was trying to be everything. But yeah, a comment is why does everybody like Claire Danes' character so much? Like, huh? Yeah. What is that about? And and man, everybody else was like civil to her, you know. She did say some stuff. She did do stuff, and she would say stuff that was like, okay, where are you going with this? And she's trying to. You can tell that she is trying to impart something that okay, she's doesn't know the best way to phrase what she's saying. She's trying to be offensive and everything, but she's clearly not a bad person, but she's just trying to approach a topic that's sensitive in a way, but she doesn't know how to do it. So that's how it comes across. You can tell she's not bad or anything. She's good. She's trying to be appropriate, but then it just comes out wrong because you can tell she's kind of like not repressed, but she's kind of within herself and then she had a little so, and it comes out and then and they're that so to her so awful to her at times. Yeah, then people here no, yeah, but when I want to talk about bad about the thing, maybe I need to watch it a second time. I don't know, but I don't like I don't like the family. I don't hate them. I'm not like the biggest fans of them. They're okay. Yeah. Yeah, I should end there. Alright. It did not make me feel Christmassy. That's all I'll say about that. The brother sister swap, weird. And the meanness, weird also. So that means this not real very Christmas. Okay. I'm very fine with bad. There are Christmas movies that have that the family problems and everything. And yeah, and that the fish of the water thing. Yeah, okay. So it was fun. It gave me jokes and everything. But then you think about it, and then that it kind of went on too long. It was not a Christmassy feeling movie. And I'm not talking about the death of the mother and thing. So if she was a better, you know, well done, thank you, and R.I.P. You acted there, you were amazing in the movie, okay? But yeah, I don't want to say too much anymore. Okay, all right, that's it. Goodbye.